We always look forward to spring, but autumn has its own special magic. Leaves fall, the air turns crisp, and nature shows off its colors. But have you ever wondered why? Why do leaves change color? Let's explore the cool science behind it and see how plants prepare for the colder months. During the warmer months, leaves stay green because they're full of chlorophyll, the stuff that helps plants turn sunlight into energy. But when autumn comes and the days get shorter and colder, plants stop making chlorophyll. As it fades away, other pigments like carotenoids, responsible for yellow and orange color, and anthocyanins that create reds and purples. This color change is the plant's way of getting ready for winter. Trees, for example, lose their leaves to save water and energy during the dry, cold months. It's like they're going into hibernation mode to survive the winter. Autumn might seem like the end of the road for most plants, but some actually thrive in the cooler weather. Let's talk about a few of them and why they love this time of year. Chrysanthemums, mums. These flowers are super popular in autumn because of their bright, cheerful colors. Mums actually prefer cooler weather and shorter days. And since they're perennials, they can come back year after year if you take care of them. Cooler temps also mean they bloom longer, making them a fall favorite. Autumn crocus. Despite the name, this plant isn't a crocus. It's part of the lily family. What's cool about it is that while its leaves and fruit show up in spring, the flowers hold off until fall to bloom with beautiful lavender pink petals. Kale and cabbage. Yep, even veggies love autumn. Kale, in particular, gets sweeter after a little frost. Both kale and cabbage are tough plants that can handle chilly nights, so they're great for harvesting in fall. Pansies. Don't be fooled by their delicate look. Pansies are tougher than they seem. They can handle frost and often keep blooming into early winter. Their bright colors add a fun pop to the more muted tones of the season.
Root growth. Even though plants seem to slow down in autumn, their roots are still busy. The soil stays warm from summer, while the cooler air helps lock in moisture. This makes autumn perfect for plants like trees and shrubs to grow stronger, deeper roots, so they're ready for winter. Seed dispersal. Autumn is also when plants like maples, oaks, and pine trees spread their seeds. Some get carried by the wind, and others are snatched up by animals stocking up for winter. These seeds lie low through the cold months, ready to sprout when spring rolls around. Cold hardening. To survive the winter, many plants go through a process called cold hardening in the fall. They gradually get used to the chilly weather and produce proteins that protect their cells from freezing. This way, they're prepped to handle the cold when it comes. You might be thinking about to keep your garden looking great this season. Here are a few easy tips to help. Mulch magic. Throwing down a layer of mulch around your plants helps keep their roots cozy as it gets colder. Plus, it locks in moisture so they don't dry out while resting during the cooler months. Watering wonders. Before the ground gets too cold, give your plants a good drink. This helps them store up enough water to survive through winter. Prune and clean, but not too much. Fall's the perfect time to trim off dead branches and clear away fallen leaves, which can invite pests. But leave a little plant debris. It's like a winter hideout for helpful bugs.
So, next time you're out on a fall day, take a second to enjoy the science behind the beauty. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe to Tea Tales, and hit the bell for more cool nature and science videos.